How to add threads to Instagram bio. First, you want to open Threads. If you haven't downloaded Threads, you can do that from Google Play Store. After this, what you want to do now is make sure that the same account in which you have logged into Threads is also logged in your Instagram in the same device. After you have made that sure, you want to tap on the profile icon down below. So over here, you can find the Instagram icon at the top. So all you want to do now is tap on that option and it's going to take you to Instagram. Now here you can see there is this @ sign. So this is your number to join Threads. This is a temporary badge that lets your follower know that you're on Threads and sends them your profile if they have the app. So here you can tap on view Threads profile and it's going to take you to Threads. You can also choose to hide your badge. So if you tap on hide badge, it's going to remove the badge so people won't be able to follow you on Threads by tapping on the badge. So if you want to remove that, you can do that as well. Otherwise, just like that, you have already added Threads to your Instagram bio. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.